Yes guys, it's Henny here again, and today we're going to be talking about the 6 reasons why you should start investing in real estate. This is the one aspect of real estate that is most desirable to a lot of people. After taking out all the operating expenses and mortgage, you have a very good amount that enters your pocket every month, come rain, come shine. And the more units, the better. Fun fact, real estate has been appreciating for 6% per year since 1968, including during the downturn in the economy at the beginning of 2007. A house that is 200k today is going to be 212,000 next year, and to even be higher in fast-growing cities like Nashville and established cities like New York City. Equity in real estate is built by reduction in capital. Most real estates are purchased with a down payment, which is a small percentage of the purchase price. The balance is then financed from a lender, which is your bank, through a usual 15 or 30-year mortgage. Over time, the principal of the loan is paid down initially, of course slowly, then towards the end of the amortization period, the payment just goes faster and the principal increases while the amortization, is being cut down. Tax codes allow you to transfer the sale of an investment property to a new property being purchased, which means if you reinvest whatever money you're making back into another property, you do not have to pay any taxes until a later date. If you sell a property that is not your main home, which you've had for at least a year, you pay up to 15% on any profit at a capital gain rate, which is usually less than one's personal tax bracket. As an example, someone who is making $86,000 a year pays about 24% in federal income taxes. But if you profit $500,000 from selling properties, you're going to be paying only 15% in taxes. Tax codes allow you to deduct normal expenses incurred in your property, such as the regular maintenance, the upkeep of the place, any improvements, and even the interest paid on the mortgage, which means you're going to be paying less in taxes and more money in your pocket. At the end of the day, it's a win-win situation if you think about it. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Leave the video a like, and of course if you've got any questions, leave them down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.